In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set all image or photo durations to the same length in CapCut. If you're looking to create a seamless, cohesive video without worrying about inconsistent timing of your images, you're definitely in the right place. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you get those picture-perfect timings without any hassle. First things first, locate and open the CapCut application on your device. If it's your first time using CapCut, you'll notice it's quite a powerful yet user-friendly tool for video editing. Once the app is up and ready, navigate to an existing project you have, one that already contains those photos or images you wish to edit. Now, for those who might be new to this, if you haven't created a project yet, you can easily start a new one and import your images. However, for our purpose today, we're focusing on an existing project setup. With your project open, it's time to select an image. Simply click on one of the photos in your timeline. You'll observe that this highlights or selects the image, which essentially means you're ready to make changes. Look to the edges of that selected image clip. You'll see the borders can be adjusted, allowing you to modify the duration. Now, by clicking and dragging the edge of this clip, you can change its length. Adjust it to suit the duration that you've decided will work best uniformly across all your images. Don't worry, as you do this, CapCut will show you exactly how long the clip is in seconds, helping ensure precision and consistency. Here's an important step. Repeat this action for each image in your timeline. While it might seem repetitive, this ensures every photo in your project lasts the exact same duration, contributing to smooth and professional-looking transitions in your final video. It's these small, detailed actions that ultimately influence the overall flow and presentation quality of your work. Finally, take a moment to preview your project and ensure that all changes reflect as intended. Watching through your video will confirm that your images are now synchronized to the same length, providing a seamless visual experience for your audience. Remember, the key is in the details. Consistent image durations can significantly enhance the visual rhythm of your video, making it more engaging and watchable. With these steps, you can quickly set all image durations to the same length in CapCut, giving you yet another skill to keep your projects looking professional and polished. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I look forward to seeing how you incorporate these tips into your creative projects. Happy editing!